Yulan versus global competitors, a deep dive into the future of amphibious assault vessels. Date, February 1, 2025. Location, Changxing Island Shipyard, Shanghai, China. The introduction of the Yulan class or Type 076 landing helicopter dock LHD marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of amphibious assault vessels. This class is designed to enhance China's naval capabilities significantly. The Type 076 innovative twin-island superstructure aims to optimize aviation operations, a feature that sets it apart from other global competitors in the realm of amphibious warfare. Overview of the Yulan class. The Type 076 is approaching completion at the Changxing Island Shipyard with significant advancements in its construction. Notably, the installation of both twin-island superstructures has been confirmed, reflecting a strategic design aimed at facilitating both navigation and flight operations simultaneously. This configuration allows for the effective management of a diverse air wing, including both crewed and uncrewed aircraft, thereby enhancing operational flexibility. Measuring approximately 864 feet in length and 141 feet in width, the Type 076 occupies a unique position between China's Type 075 amphibious assault ships and the new Fujian aircraft carrier. This size supports a range of operational roles, underscoring the versatility of the platform. Key features and technological innovations. The Yulan class emphasizes air power with features designed to support the operation of various aircraft. The inclusion of a larger flight deck and the potential for an Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System (EMALS) are particularly noteworthy. This system could facilitate the launch of heavier fixed-wing drones, enhancing the ship's strike capabilities and operational reach. Comparative analysis with global competitors. 1. United Kingdom's Queen Elizabeth class. The UK's Queen Elizabeth aircraft carriers also utilize a twin-island design which simplifies air operations. However, the Type 076's heavy emphasis on integrating unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) represents a step forward in naval strategy focused on drone warfare. 2. Italy's Trieste. Similar to the Type 076, Italy's Trieste LHD features a twin-island configuration. Both vessels emphasize enhanced aviation capabilities, but the Type 076's potential to integrate advanced drones gives it a distinct edge. Timeline of developments. September 2024, satellite imagery confirms the installation of both island superstructures on the Type 076. This milestone indicates significant progress in construction. October 2024, reports suggest that the ship is nearing completion, with further details emerging about its capabilities, particularly concerning drone integration and operational roles. Focus on air power and drone integration. The consensus across multiple sources is that the Type 076 is primarily designed to enhance air operations. The twin-island configuration is pivotal for managing a blend of rotary-winged aircraft and UAVs. This design allows one island to concentrate on navigation while the other orchestrates flight operations, an approach that is particularly relevant for the complexities associated with drone deployment. The presence of mock-ups of the GJ-11 Sharp Sword unmanned combat aerial vehicle UCAV near the shipyard suggests that these drones will play a crucial role in the air wing of the Type 076. The GJ-11 is expected to enhance the ship's capabilities in maritime strike intelligence gathering and electronic warfare. Implications for regional and global naval strategies. As construction of the Type 076 progresses, its implications for regional and global naval strategies are becoming clearer. This vessel represents a transformative step in China's capacity for amphibious warfare, particularly in scenarios requiring rapid deployment and operational flexibility. The integration of advanced drone technologies not only enhances the Type 076 combat capabilities but also reflects a broader trend in naval warfare where unmanned systems play a significant role. The ability to conduct intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, ISR and strike missions with drones expands the operational envelope of the People's Liberation Army Navy plan. Conclusion. The Yulan-class amphibious assault vessel is poised to redefine the dynamics of amphibious warfare both regionally and globally. As it nears completion, the Type 076's emphasis on air-power drone integration and operational versatility positions it as a formidable asset in modern naval warfare. The ongoing developments will likely influence future naval strategies, shaping the nature of amphibious operations and the role of unmanned systems in military engagements. In summary, the Type 076 is not just an amphibious assault ship, it represents a significant evolution in naval warfare, blending traditional capabilities with cutting-edge technology to enhance maritime operations. As nations adapt to new military technologies, the Yulan class stands as a testament to China's commitment to advancing its naval capabilities and maintaining a competitive edge in global maritime power dynamics. The Type 076 landing helicopter dock LHD, often referred to as the Yulan class, is emerging as a pivotal element in China's naval capabilities, especially in the realm of amphibious assault vessels. Its design, marked by a twin-island superstructure, serves to enhance aviation operations significantly. A feature that is not only innovative but also counterintuitive in the context of traditional naval architecture. Counterintuitive insights. 1. Twin-island configuration. The choice to implement a twin-island design is not unique to the Type 076. Similar structures are found on the UK's Queen Elizabeth class and Italy's Trieste. However, the counterintuitive aspect lies in the expectation that this configuration is primarily for larger conventional aircraft operations. Instead, the Type 076 is positioning itself as a platform heavily reliant on unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs), suggesting a shift in operational focus from traditional manned airpower to drone-centric warfare. This reflects a broader trend in military strategy that prioritizes unmanned capabilities over conventional ones. 2. Integration of UAVs. While many amphibious assault vessels historically emphasize rotary wing aircraft, the Type 076 design appears to prioritize the integration of larger drones, including the GJ-11 Sharp Sword UCAV. This represents a significant shift in naval warfare dynamics, where drones might not only supplement but potentially replace crewed aircraft in certain roles. The expectation that drones will play a key role in maritime strike capabilities and intelligence gathering adds a layer of technological advancement that may not be immediately recognized as essential in conventional naval engagements. 3. EMALS and air operations. The potential inclusion of an Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System (EMALS) on the Type 076 is another aspect that defies traditional expectations. Typically associated with large aircraft carriers, the introduction of EMALS on an amphibious assault ship like the Type 076 suggests a re-evaluation of what constitutes an amphibious platform. This could enable the launching of heavier fixed-wing drones from a vessel primarily designed for troop transport and rotary wing operations, indicating a versatility that challenges conventional categorizations of naval vessels. 4. Operational roles. The Type 076 is being designed not just to support amphibious operations but to serve a multifaceted role that includes advanced air operations, maritime strike, and potentially electronic warfare. This transformation from a traditional amphibious assault ship to a more versatile combat platform illustrates a shift in naval doctrine where the lines between various types of vessels are increasingly blurred. 5. Strategic implications. The rapid development of the Type 076 and its emphasis on air power and drones could shift regional power dynamics. While many observers may view amphibious assault ships as primarily tactical assets, the Type 076 capabilities suggest that it could play a strategic role in larger naval engagements, influencing how naval power is projected across the Indo-Pacific region. Conclusion. The Yulan-class amphibious assault vessel encapsulates a significant evolution in naval warfare strategy, particularly in its integration of drone technology and innovative design choices. By prioritizing unmanned aerial capabilities and advanced launch systems, China is not merely enhancing its amphibious assault capabilities, it is redefining them in a manner that could have profound implications for global maritime strategy. The Type 076 stands as a testament to the rapidly changing landscape of naval warfare, where traditional classifications of vessels and their roles are increasingly challenged. In the report on the Yulan-class Type 076 landing helicopter dock LHD, several important aspects may be overlooked, but they are significant for understanding the broader implications for naval warfare and strategy. 1. Twin island configuration and its operational significance. The choice of a twin island superstructure is not merely an aesthetic or design decision, it profoundly impacts operational efficiency. It allows one island to focus on navigation and the other on flight operations. This division of labor is particularly critical in modern naval warfare, where air superiority is paramount. By optimizing air operations management, the Type 076 can potentially enhance its response times and operational readiness, making it more effective in combat scenarios. Significance: this design choice reflects a broader shift in naval strategy, aligning with trends seen in other modern naval vessels globally. The ability to manage complex aerial operations effectively could provide the People's Liberation Army Navy plan with tactical advantages in amphibious assaults, which are inherently complex and require rapid coordination between naval and air assets. 2. Integration of unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs). The emphasis on integrating unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) like the GJ-11 Sharp Sword UCAV into the Type 076 air wing is another critical aspect that may not receive the attention it deserves. The capability to launch and recover drones from a large amphibious assault vessel indicates a shift toward a more versatile and technologically advanced Navy. Significance: the integration of drones enhances reconnaissance, intelligence gathering, and strike capabilities. Drones can operate in environments that are too dangerous for crewed aircraft, allowing for extended reach and operational flexibility. Furthermore, the use of drones for electronic warfare and as force multipliers can significantly augment the plan's operational effectiveness, especially in contested environments. 3. Potential for Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System (EMALS). The potential inclusion of an Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System (EMALS) signifies a leap in technological capability. While traditional catapults rely on steam, EMALS allows for more precise control over aircraft launches, which can be crucial for heavier payloads including drones and potentially crewed aircraft. Significance: the introduction of EMALS could enable the Type 076 to launch a wider variety of aircraft, including those that are larger and heavier than what conventional systems can accommodate. This technological edge could allow the plan to project power more effectively and engage in a broader range of missions, from humanitarian assistance to full-scale combat operations. 4. Role in regional and global naval strategies. The Yulan class not only enhances China's amphibious capabilities but also serves as a strategic tool in the broader context of regional maritime security dynamics. As China continues to assert its presence in contested waters, particularly in the South China Sea, vessels like the Type 076 are likely to play vital roles in amphibious operations and power projection. Significance: the development of the Type 076 class can be interpreted as a direct response to the military capabilities of other nations, particularly the US and its allies. As these dynamics evolve, the Type 076 could alter the balance of power in regional conflicts, challenging existing naval strategies and prompting adversaries to adjust their own capabilities in response. 5. Comparison with global competitors. While the report compares the Type 076 to other global amphibious assault ships, such as the UK's Queen Elizabeth class and Italy's Trieste, the nuances of these comparisons often get lost. Each vessel reflects different national priorities and strategic doctrines, and understanding these differences can provide insight into future naval engagements. Significance: analyzing how the Type 076 fits into the global landscape reveals not just technological advancements but also how nations perceive threats and allocate resources. The competition in amphibious assault vessels highlights the increasing importance of airpower in naval strategy, which has historically been centered around surface and subsurface capabilities. 6. Construction pace and implications for naval expansion. The rapid pace of construction of the Type 076 at the Changxing Island Shipyard indicates not only a commitment to expanding the plan's capabilities but also reflects China's broader naval ambitions. This construction speed, along with the advanced features of the vessel, suggests that China is not merely keeping pace with global naval developments but is actively seeking to surpass them. Significance: the swift development of the Type 076 could signal an impending shift in operational readiness for the plan. A more capable amphibious force can enable China to execute complex military operations with greater confidence, potentially altering the strategic calculus in the Asia-Pacific region. 7. Technological integration and future developments. The emphasis on integrating advanced technologies such as EMALS and UAVs signals a broader trend toward multi-domain operations in naval warfare. The ability to operate seamlessly across air, sea, and land domains will be crucial for future military engagements. Significance: as militaries around the world move toward more integrated operations, the Type 076 could serve as a model for future amphibious assault vessels globally. This shift emphasizes the importance of adaptability and technological innovation in maintaining strategic advantages. Conclusion: the Yulan-class Type 076 is not just another amphibious assault vessel, it represents a significant evolution in naval warfare and strategy. The integration of advanced design features, the focus on airpower, and the potential for enhanced operational capabilities underscore its importance. As the vessel nears completion, its implications for regional and global naval dynamics will become increasingly critical, warranting ongoing attention from military analysts and strategists. Understanding these often overlooked elements is essential for grasping the future landscape of amphibious warfare and naval power projection. In-depth analysis and discussion points on the Yulan class versus global competitors. 1. Advanced design and operational capabilities. The Yulan-class Type 076 amphibious assault vessel represents a substantial shift in naval design philosophy, primarily through its twin-island superstructure. This architectural choice is critical for optimizing air operations as it allows for the distinct separation of navigation and flight operations. The implications of this design are profound, allowing for more efficient management of aviation assets, including both crewed and uncrewed platforms. Compared to global competitors like the UK's Queen Elizabeth class and Italy's Trieste, the Yulan class emphasizes a versatile operational role, accommodating a larger array of aviation capabilities, particularly with the potential integration of heavier fixed-wing drones. The inclusion of an Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System (EMALS) further enhances its operational flexibility, enabling it to launch drones and potentially larger aircraft that are pivotal in modern amphibious warfare. 2. Integration of unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs). The Yulan class's focus on integrating unmanned aerial vehicles marks a significant evolution in amphibious assault strategies. The anticipated use of the GJ-11 Sharp Sword UCAV underscores the plan's commitment to advancing its maritime strike capabilities and ISR functions through UAV technology. This integration not only enhances operational reach and effectiveness but also reflects broader trends in naval warfare where unmanned systems play a crucial role. The ability of the Type 076 to launch and manage various UAVs positions it strategically against competitors that may not have such capabilities, thereby potentially reshaping the dynamics of amphibious operations and power projection in regional conflicts. 3. Strategic implications for regional and global naval power dynamics. The development of the Yulan class is not just a technological advancement but also a strategic maneuver in the context of regional and global military balance. As China continues to expand its naval capabilities, the Type 076 serves as a testament to its growing ambition to project power beyond its shores. The vessel's capabilities may alter the operational calculus for other nations in the Indo-Pacific region, prompting responses that could include enhancing their own amphibious and naval capacities or forming new alliances. This shift in power dynamics necessitates a reconsideration of defense strategies by other nations, particularly those with interests in the South China Sea and surrounding areas. 4. Comparative analysis with global competitors. While the Yulan class emphasizes advanced air operations and UAV integration, a comparative analysis with vessels like the Queen Elizabeth and Trieste reveals both similarities and differences in design philosophy and operational focus. The twin island configuration is a commonality that highlights a shared recognition of the importance of air operations in modern naval engagements. However, the Yulan class's pronounced emphasis on unmanned systems and potentially heavier aircraft sets it apart in terms of future operational roles. This comparative analysis can lead to a broader discussion on the evolving nature of naval warfare, where traditional roles of amphibious assault ships are being redefined in light of technological advancements and changing geopolitical landscapes. In summary, the Yulan-class amphibious assault vessel represents a significant leap in China's naval capabilities, particularly in terms of air power integration and the use of unmanned systems. Its strategic implications for regional power dynamics and comparative advantages over global competitors warrant a detailed exploration of future maritime conflict scenarios and defense strategies. 1. The USS Wasp LHD-1 and the evolution of amphibious warfare. The USS Wasp, commissioned in 1989, is a significant class of amphibious assault ship in the United States Navy. It utilizes a similar landing helicopter dock LHD format with a focus on supporting marine operations. The Wasp class has been instrumental in various military operations, including humanitarian assistance and disaster relief missions, as well as combat engagements in the Gulf War and post-9/11 operations. The introduction of the Wasp class marked a shift in amphibious warfare, incorporating advanced aviation capabilities, enhanced command and control systems, and the ability to deploy and support a wide range of aircraft, including V-22 Ospreys, which significantly improved operational flexibility. The Wasp's design and operational history provide a direct comparison to the Type 076's emphasis on integrating modern aviation technologies and unmanned systems. 2. The HMS Queen Elizabeth class aircraft carriers. The HMS Queen Elizabeth and her sister ship, the HMS Prince of Wales, represent the latest generation of aircraft carriers for the Royal Navy, commissioned in 2017 and 2019 respectively. These carriers feature a twin-island design that facilitates air operations similar to the Type 076 configuration. The Queen Elizabeth class is primarily designed to operate fixed-wing aircraft, including the F-35B Lightning II, and emphasizes versatility in modern naval warfare. The integration of advanced technologies like the carrier's ability to support both manned and unmanned aerial vehicles parallels the developments seen in the Type 076, particularly in the context of multi-domain operations and enhanced maritime strike capabilities. 3. The Italian Navy's Trieste L9890. Launched in 2020. The Italian Navy's Trieste is an amphibious assault ship that also features a twin-island design similar to the Type 076. The Trieste is intended to serve as a multipurpose vessel capable of supporting amphibious operations, humanitarian missions, and air operations, with a focus on rotary-wing and fixed-wing aircraft. This ship is equipped with advanced aviation facilities, including a large flight deck and hangar space aimed at enhancing operational flexibility. Like the Type 076, the Trieste emphasizes the importance of air power in modern amphibious warfare, showcasing how different navies are adopting similar strategies to leverage advanced designs for versatile operational roles. Future outlook: Yulan versus global competitors in amphibious assault vessels. The landscape of amphibious assault vessels is in a state of rapid evolution, particularly with the emergence of China's Yulan-class Type 076 landing helicopter dock LHD. As we look toward the future, Several key predictions can be made regarding the Yulan class and its impact on global naval capabilities, technology integration, and strategic military operations. 1. Technological advancements in amphibious warfare. The Yulan class is poised to integrate advanced technologies, particularly in the realm of unmanned systems. Its twin island design is tailored for optimal air operations, enabling the simultaneous management of traditional rotary-wing aircraft alongside heavier fixed-wing drones. As drone technology continues to advance, we can expect the Yulan class to serve as a testbed for innovative UAV applications, enhancing maritime strike capabilities, ISR intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and electronic warfare. Furthermore, the potential inclusion of an Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System (EMALS) will likely set a precedent for future amphibious assault vessels globally. This technology allows for the launch of heavier drones and could redefine operational parameters, enabling larger payloads and extended mission profiles. 2. Regional naval power dynamics. The Yulan class will significantly influence the balance of power in the Asia-Pacific region. As China enhances its amphibious capabilities, countries like Japan, India, and Australia may feel compelled to bolster their naval forces in response. This could lead to an arms race in amphibious warfare capabilities, pushing competitors to invest in similar technologies, counter-drone systems, and enhanced naval strategies. We can expect increased collaboration among regional partners to address this new threat, potentially leading to joint exercises and technology sharing aimed at countering China's growing influence. The strategic calculus will shift as nations reassess their amphibious capabilities and seek to deter potential conflicts arising from maritime disputes. 3. Integration of multi-domain operations. The future of amphibious assault vessels will likely see a shift toward multi-domain operations (MDO), where naval, air, land, cyber, and space assets operate in concert. The Yulan class's emphasis on drone integration aligns well with MDO principles, enabling it to provide real-time surveillance, targeting data, and strike capabilities across multiple domains. As military strategies evolve, we can anticipate that the Yulan class will serve as a command and control hub, coordinating operations not just within naval forces but also integrating air and ground assets. This capability will be critical in addressing modern warfare's complexities, where seamless communication and joint operations are paramount. 4. Impact on global amphibious assault vessel designs. The success and operational capabilities of the Yulan class may inspire a redesign of existing amphibious assault ships globally. Countries like the United States, the United Kingdom, and France will likely reassess their amphibious fleet designs to incorporate similar technological advancements, particularly in UAVs and EMALS. The twin island configuration, while not unique to the Yulan class, may become more prevalent as it allows for better management of air operations and the incorporation of advanced drone systems. This could lead to a renaissance in amphibious vessel design, prompting a re-evaluation of how these ships are equipped, operated, and utilized in modern naval warfare. 5. Increased focus on anti-access/area denial A2/AD strategies. With the advent of the Yulan class, we can expect an increased emphasis on A2/AD strategies among coastal nations. The ability to deploy heavier drones and sophisticated ISR capabilities will give the People's Liberation Army Navy plan a significant advantage in asserting maritime claims and conducting operations in contested waters. As a response, rival nations may invest in counter A2/AD capabilities, including advanced missile systems, cyber warfare, and enhanced joint operations. This dynamic could lead to a more segmented maritime environment, where access to certain regions becomes increasingly contested and challenging. 6. Potential for cooperative security frameworks. The rise of the Yulan class and its implications for regional security could foster greater cooperation among nations concerned about China's maritime ambitions. We might see the formation of new security alliances or partnerships focused on collective maritime security, intelligence sharing, and joint operational planning. Such frameworks could serve to balance China's growing influence and deter aggressive actions in the South China Sea and beyond. The emphasis on maritime domain awareness and cooperative patrols may become essential elements of these partnerships, highlighting the need for collaborative responses to evolving maritime threats. Conclusion. The Yulan-class amphibious assault vessel represents a significant shift in naval capabilities not just for China but for the global maritime landscape. As it integrates advanced technologies and emphasizes multi-domain operations, the implications for regional power dynamics, military strategies, and vessel designs will be profound. The next decade will likely see intensified competition in amphibious warfare, necessitating innovative responses from global naval powers. The ongoing evolution of these vessels will shape the future of naval warfare with significant ramifications for international security and military strategy.